With all of the information available to us these days, there's very little that isn't talked about. Even with that being the case, what I've found is that there are a few things that often come as a surprise to people after they start learning the violin. So today I'm sharing 3 things that no one is really talking about when it comes to playing the violin. If you've already started playing the violin, perhaps you can relate. And if you haven't started yet but you're thinking about it, hopefully this information will help you to be better prepared. Hi, I'm Lauren, a professional violinist and fiddle player currently living in Nashville, Tennessee, and I help thousands of people to achieve their violin and fiddle goals. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. We'd love to have you here. Now, let's get into 3 things no one tells you about playing the violin. Number 1, the bow is the hardest part. I hear this all of the time, especially from people who played other instruments before picking up the violin, that bowing is nowhere near the same as strumming. There are several elements that have to come together in order to create a smooth, clean tone, and you will inevitably find yourself working on your right hand technique more than you probably expected. If you need help in this department, I have a whole playlist on my channel called Bow Technique with tips and exercises to help you master your bow. The second thing no one will tell you is that it takes time to get good. If you're wanting to learn how to play the violin in a month, you might want to rethink your strategy. The violin is an incredibly challenging instrument to learn, and it takes time, years in fact, to become proficient. Just like learning a sport, maintaining a consistent practice regimen is the best way to achieve long-term results. If you are struggling to see progress, this video has some helpful advice that you can start using today. And last but not least, to end on an encouraging note, playing the violin is supposed to be fun. With so much of the focus on learning notes, perfecting technique, and always working toward the next goal, I think a lot of times people forget that playing the violin is supposed to be fun. Especially if you're coming to the violin later in life with the goal of personal enjoyment, here's your reminder to have fun with your learning. It is called playing, after all. And there you have it. Those are 3 things that no one's really talking about when it comes to learning and playing the violin. I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up below. It really helps out the channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy practicing.